Hi guys, it's Paul from Roll Adventures. Just got the new KickAss 2.5 m awning. Just going to run through a quick install and review of the product, go through a few features. We'll get stuck in that now. Okay, so this is it here. A 1000D heavy duty black transit bag which will keep your moisture out, should stop any rips and tears when you're going down the tighter tracks. Included with the awning, you get 2 guide ropes, 2 sort of medium duty pegs to lock them in, and your mounting kit, a couple of heavy duty black brackets with your nuts and nylon bolts, and also little bag to carry your guide ropes and your pegs in when you're travelling around. Alright, so if this is your first time mounting awning, a couple of little extra things you're going to need to get the job done. Most importantly, you're going to need either a socket set or a couple of spanners, and that's to get your bolts in nice and tight, so make sure the awning's not going to move around when we're driving. The L brackets which come with the kit come with 4 pre-drilled holes, allowing you to mount it to either your vehicle, like canopy, your tub or anything like that, giving you a couple of options how far you want from the vehicle. On mine, I'm going to be putting it on the Rhino Rack Pioneer. Probably go for the second slot, which will allow me to clear my lights and still get to my recovery kit by still keeping it nice and strong by not coming in too far out from the vehicle. So if we're going to do that, if you do have a Pioneer platform, just make sure you pick up one of these, which is a channel nut, and they'll allow you to mount it to the vehicle pretty quick and easy. Okay, so that's nice and secure now. Those brackets aren't going to move anywhere while we're driving around. So this model is 2 meters wide and will come out 2.5 meters long, giving you a coverage of roughly a bit over 5 square meters of shade, which is pretty handy. These are really nice and straightforward to set up by yourself. Anyone that's already got one knows that you can set it up by yourself quick and easy without any hassle. So one of the cool little inclusions you do get with this awning is this LED strip. The strip actually slides in and out. It's a little canvas strip there. I'm guessing so if you do damage it, it is quite easy to replace. Connects with a 6 socket. It's got a 5-meter extension cable, and it comes with a on-off dimmer switch as well, or with a quick connect waterproof socket. So pretty cool inclusions. I actually made my own for my last awning, so to get it with the awning straight up and not having to do any work is actually pretty cool. So I know it's the middle of the day now, but if we flick this on, it's actually pretty bright. Like, that's pretty impressive for the middle of the day. It would have been good to get the optional yellow light as well, but I mean, to get it thrown in with the awning is pretty cool. Alright, so to set it by myself, really quick and easy. Took me only about 2 minutes. The awning itself is 280 GSM Ripstop canvas. So really nice quality, keep the rain and the sun off you. If you're going to go camping, especially like me with the little ones, I find it really good to take, in case that little bit of extra shade, get them out of the sun, especially on a hot summer's day when there's no other shade around and the sun's high in the sky. Overall, really good feel about it. It's only 11 kilos, so a lot lighter than a few other ones on the market, but everything feels really strong and tight. The supports, the ropes, everything feels really good. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll throw up some later on when it's dark and I'll see how bright that light is.